Welcome to the Smash News Network, least busted name in news. It's time to do meteorology, so let's do it. First thing we're looking at are surface winds, and the low pressure system that dumped a bunch of snow on us here in Lehigh Valley has moved off of the New England coast. You can see that counterclockwise rotation characteristic of northern hemispheric low pressure zones. Also, strong winds here south of Greenland continue. Here are the jet streams of the west. There you go. Some pretty major kinks in the northern hemisphere jet stream, and some major incoherence in the southern hemisphere jet stream. It's kind of all over the place. Here are the jet streams of the eastern world. Huge anticyclone here over western Alaska continues. You can see that clockwise rotation up there. And some significant bends here around Australia in the southern hemisphere. What about the surface winds, you ask? Well, there you go. Surface winds of the eastern world. Let's move on to a forecast here. Here's the 72-hour precipitation and pressure forecast for the lower 48. And we're expecting some ice to strike eastern Pennsylvania. You can see that pink showing up as this low gets set up in a couple of days. Another significant band of moisture making its way across the country. Next, your temperature anomaly over the next 72 hours. Going to have some very warm temperatures here in the southeast. And some very cold temperatures in places like North Dakota and Minnesota especially. That was the GFS model. In fact, both of these are GFS models. How about the Euro model for temperature? This isn't temperature anomaly, this is just temperature. We'll just kind of let that play through. One of the great features of windy.com. You can access different models. All kinds of layers are available as well. We'll just kind of let this advance here to show you how temperatures are forecasted to play out by the Euro model over the next 3 days. 72-hour forecasts are fairly accurate. Anything beyond 3 days might be a bit questionable. And we'll pause this at about noontime on Monday. That's Eastern Standard Time, the time that it's showing there. There's where the Euro model puts temperatures on Monday the 10th at 12 noon Eastern Standard Time. Next, your weather.gov map. If your county's lit, just click it as flooding continues in the ultra-moist Pacific Northwest. And we still see some winter weather advisories. Some minor snow showers still showing up here in Pennsylvania. It looks like it's mostly done, if not completely. I think the sun's come back out. There's your lightning mapper. Looks like no terrestrial lightning over the U.S. at the moment. There's your real-time lightning map from lightningmaps.org. Next time you hear thunder, check it out. It's pretty sweet. It can save your bacon. This video was originally streamed live to Twitch. Thanks to our followers over there. Thanks to our BitChute subscribers as well. If you're only viewing on BitChute, make sure you go check out YouTube. Don't refuse to watch on YouTube. Not everything is pathetically censored over there. Things are pathetically censored on Twitter, though, certainly. Make sure you follow us there. We're almost at a whopping 200 followers. Oh my God. We're going to be able to retire at age 59,999 at this rate. What a rate of growth. And join us in igniting the torch of liberty over at Getter, GETTR.com. Blowing up over there, all the way up to 13 followers now on Getter, getter.com/user/smashomash. Thanks to everybody on YouTube, tolerating the pathetic censorship on the platform. Dear Google, fix your software. We insist. Thanks to the Smash team, especially Gold and Silver and Gold Annual paid-up members. They're increasing the likelihood these videos will continue to exist. We put up a post only for Gold members. We'll give you a teaser here. You'll only get to see the title, as you have to be a paid member to see the rest of the post at smashomash.com/smashteam. We replaced Patreon with something superior. Today's featured product, which you can find at smashomash.com. On the home page, just click on the SMASHO merch. You'll find our Redbubble shop. Today's featured product is make Earth not suck again. One of our many goals. One of our many goals is to see you as a free life form. We'd like to see America not suck again, so we've got a product like that too. Make America not suck again, since America tends to lead the way on so many things. One of the ways to help to make Earth not suck again is to make America not suck again. It's up to you to make Earth not suck again, so support the channel with that, perhaps. Some great merch there, some very high print quality, thanks to everybody who's picked up merch and helped us out in that way. Tell your friends and foes about us. Here's the water vapor over the Pacific Ocean. Pretty dry in the South Pacific. A lot of dry air showing up there. The moist air showing up in pink and blue tones, the dry air showing up in orange and yellow tones. And let's blast through the rest of our data here. Here's your radar.weather.gov Doppler radar map. It looks like some additional snow here making its way across Pennsylvania. We're expecting some additional showers as a result of this. Looks like some lake effect snow there blowing off of Lake Erie as cold air gets infused, pushing that system out into the Atlantic. And just bear with me a minute. We are streaming live here. Here's your water vapor map for the lower 48. And you can see this little bit of dry air here causing a little bit of a lull in the snow here. Following that, there's going to be some additional snow. There's a weak low here making its way west to east over the Pennsylvania-New York border. You can see that little bit of a counterclockwise rotation there, that weak low. Less obvious on the shortwave radiation map. Here's your recap. U.S. Doppler radar. By the way, we got about 3 or 4 inches here in Lehigh Valley, Pennsylvania. There's the shortwave radiation, showing clouds and fog when it's too dark to see them with a visible satellite. And there's the water vapor. You can see all that moisture making its way across Idaho into Montana, Wyoming, and into the Dakotas as we speak. Thanks for tuning into the video. Congratulations on realizing the channel exists. I've been your host, Dan, a.k.a. smAsho, signing off from the Smash News Network, least busted. Name and news.